Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Live Engineers. Today we are going to create a simple yet a stylish toggle button that switches between dark mode and light mode. This project is perfect for learning how to work with the CSS animations, JavaScript event listeners, and creative UI design. To begin with our project, first we will create index.html, style.css, and a script.js file inside our directory. And in the index.html file, we will give exclamation mark. I will change the title as my channel name. Then we will open the live server and we see our live page. Then first we will create one div with the class name toggle button. Inside this div we will create again one div with the class name of icon. Then we are going to use box icon, so I'll link this box icon here. Then inside of the icon we will give the moon icon. As you can see on the screen, the icon is here. So that's it for the HTML structure. Now we will begin with the styling. So to begin with the styling, first we will give basic structure like margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. Then first we will link the style file. So I have linked the style file. First we will style the body. We will keep height as 100% or 100 VH, width of 100%, display flex, align item center, justify content center, background of a linear gradient color, then font family of cursive, or you can choose your own, and one transition name 0.5 second is. Now we will select the class toggle button. Inside it we will give position relative, height of 80 pixel, width of 160 pixel, background of a linear gradient color so that it will look better, border radius of 50%, and one box shadow also, display flex, align term center, and justify content center. But I think justify content center is not necessary, so we will remove cursor of pointer, transition of name background 0.5 second is. Then we will select the toggle button while it is active, background of a linear gradient color. Now we will select the dot icon class inside of the dot toggle button. We will give position as absolute, height of 70 pixel, width of 70 pixel, background of a linear gradient, border radius of 50%, display flex, align item center, justify content center, and one box shadow of RGBA color, top of 50%, left of 5 pixel, transform to translate y, that is in the up direction, minus 50%, so it will come in center, and one transition. Also we will give one color to it. So first of all, I think this border radius 50% is not required, so let me change it to according to it, and I'll remove this border also. Now we will select the I tag inside of this dot icon class. We will give font size as urem, transition of transform 0.3 second is. Now when the toggle button is active and inside of it icon I, transform rotate of 180 degree, so it will rotate. Now the styling is finished. So now let's make the toggle button interactive. We'll add an event listener and all the things. So first let me link the JavaScript file to our HTML structure. First we will select the toggle button class. So we will say let toggle button is equal to document.query selector, and inside of it the class name, that is toggle button. Next, similar way we will select the dark mode button, that is dot icon. So we will say let dark mode is equal to document.query selector, inside of it class name dot icon, and in previous we forgot dot, so dot here also. Then we will say we will add the add event listener, so we will say toggle button dot add event listener, and click is the event. Then a function should run toggle button dot class list dot toggle active. It will do if the class is consist of active. So we will say if toggle button dot class list dot contains active, when it contains the active, then the document dot body dot style dot background color, we will change the background of the body to black. Otherwise document dot body dot style dot background color is equal to white. Also we will change the icon by saying dark mode dot class list dot replace bxs sun to bxs moon. So pretty much about it is done. Let me see. So there is some issue. So actually, yeah, we forgot this here. So the same line will go to up, and we will say change moon to the sun. So now the icon is changing, but still there is problem. So okay, so we forgot one styling here. So we'll add the icon of a background of a linear gradient. It will look better. Then left of we will calculate so that it will come to the right side. 100% minus 70 pixel minus 5 pixel, and also a color. So yeah, now everything is working, but there is still one problem. This thing is not coming to the right side, and the background is also not changing. So we will remove this linear gradient color from the body. So now color is working, dark mode is applicable, but it is not changing to right side. So okay, we forgot to give a space here. So now yes, it is working correctly. So let me explain how it works. When the button is clicked, we check if the active class is present. If it is, we change the background color to black and switch the icon to a sun. Otherwise, we revert to light mode. So that's it. You have just created a slick toggle button for dark and light mode. It's responsive also, animated, and perfect for any modern web app. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cool projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep coding and stay creative.